Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1430 for the 2019 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Saturday, January 25th, 2020. It is 10:37 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:37 p.m. Central Time, and 7:37 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, Subnoy has 6 spots, Tony has 7, Brian has 2, DBS 1, Mako 3, Hector 2, Austin Britt 3, KU 1, Raw AEW 4, and SJ with 1 spot. Going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to break. Subnoy on top, SJ bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Tony on top, Raw AEW on the bottom. Tony, you have the Diamondbacks, Hector Braves, Raw AEW Orioles, Brian Red Sox, Tony Cubs White Sox, Hector Reds, KU with the Indians, Austin Britt Rockies, Subnoy Tigers, Raw AEW Astros, DBS Royals, Tony Angels and Dodgers, Subnoy Marlins, Austin Britt Brewers, Subnoy Twins, Mako with the Mets, Subnoy Yankees, Tony Athletics, Raw AEW Phillies, Mako Pirates, Padres, SJ Giants, Tony Mariners, Austin Britt Cardinals, Subnoy Rays, Brian Rangers, Subnoy Blue Jays, and last but not least, the Washington Nationals are going to Raw AEW. Okay. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. And let's see what that team is going to be tonight. And 11 out of 34, we have a Kevin Newman for the Altoona Curve. Threw me a curveball for a second. All right, 11 out of 34, Altoona Curve, Kevin Newman. And that's going to go to the Pittsburgh Pirates. I'll look that up just to confirm that for you guys, but that's going to go to the Pittsburgh Pirates. He was drafted in the first round. Pittsburgh Pirates are going to Mako 6977. Congrats, Mako, on the Kevin Newman Auto Altoona Curve 11 out of 34 for the 2019 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition. I want to thank all of you for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. You'll find us on social media, Twitter and Instagram, and on eBay, of course, at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.